What is good, YouTube? It's your boy AJB.IMG bringing y'all back another quick video. Hope y'all having a great day. It's May 5th. It is Cinco de Mayo. Wanted to film quick. Damn, I can't even talk, man. I wanted to film a quick video for you guys because I haven't filmed a video in a little while. The Genesis, I'm working on the Genesis right now, doing some upgrades, as well as I'm also working on the Miata. So things are a little bit busy. I'm also traveling. But today, hopefully if things go well or things go as planned, I'm going to be driving a 2021 or going for a test drive in a 2021 Lotus Evora 400. Now, has about 10,000 miles. It's a 6-speed. They're asking a lot for it. I mean, I would buy it if they, came down on it and took a reasonable offer, a reasonable price. They're asking like 30% or more above the asking price. Probably close to, definitely more. Close to 50, 30 to 40, almost 50. But hopefully if they're willing to be reasonable and come down, I might be interested in the car. But figured it's a nice car. It's definitely a car I wanted to drive for a while. It's a 6-speed. And it's about 400 something horsepower, so it's equivalent in the power to my Genesis. So I kind of want to see what it's like to drive the equivalent to my Genesis with slightly lighter weight. And yeah, with a manual gearbox. So yeah, that's enough yapping. If this test drive goes as planned, I'm going to Redwood City to do it. Hopefully they're there and they don't play stupid when I get there. But if everything goes as planned, the next time you see this car, the next time you see me, you'll see me in the car. I'm gonna catch you guys later, all right? Deuces.
A few moments later.
What?
How many times you take this car out? Often or not really?
Not often.
Not often?
Yeah, you got to be, wanting to potentially buy it just because it's kind of tricked out. We know we're asking a high price for it, so we're not going to just let anybody go in and demo it.
Yeah, no. How many people have looked at it? A decent amount or what?
Yeah, I've demoed it probably 3 times in the past 2 months.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a nice road right here.
Yeah, this is the perfect little frontage road because it also has a mixture of good roads and bad roads, so you can feel what the Cup 2s feel like.
Yeah.
This is there was only a sport suspension on the Evora GT, so it's very stiff, but it's still, it's not too bad.
Yep.
So here's our straightaway. This is what you're going to want to do once we can see around the whole, what the hell is that Tesla doing? There's no reason anybody should be back here, so give me a second, let him.
Alright.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Let's get it. This shit punches, man. Yeah, you definitely get glued to this.
It's a race car.
Yeah. What's up, man?
Lotus,
definitely get glued to this.
need to be driven hard. You can't drive a Lotus. You hear that punch too?
Yeah. There you go.
All right, you want to try it?
Yeah, we'll take it for a little spin. Let's go.
There you go.
We gotta come back. This car.
Yeah, feel fitted to little turn. Oh, a lift up. Sorry, it's a lift up.
Oh, yeah,
Bam.
nice.
That way, you wouldn't know that. Perfect. You're good. Very good.